Hi, my name is William Cervera. I am a student Physical Distribution International in SENA. Project Activity 8, presenting your master plan. Today, talking about of manufacture aluminum sulfate. This material used in Colombia is most common application is in the purification of water. This material is a solid dark colored salt. It's very used in industry mainly. Decision must be made on how much stock of bat input and finished might have in the order of ideas is also convenient to keep a detail of up-to-date inventory, the surplus, the order tab, how much is production area, and the determining when to buy. Um, in case of the production, aluminum sulfate is period of this determinant when to production since the type of probe occurs in series on in the batches at the maintain maintain production level that from the small take time is the period of time required to process probe. In the case we will measure it's by tons. The takt time is obtained by dividing total available production time by production volume. Finally, pro feature is presentation is trade name is aluminum sulfate type B. Company production is Químicos Panamericanos PQP. And presentation, my image presentation is a bag of 25 kilograms or bag of 50 kilograms. Price is around 27 pesos or 43 pesos. Is correct. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.